What's up, guys? I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in my wife's 21 GLI Autobahn key fob. Not really necessary, but you can gain a little bit more flexibility. And if you pull the emergency key out, the side with the VW emblem up is the side of this panel that's going to be removed. You can use a pry tool, or if you've got a little bit of fingernail, you can stick it in there. Same goes for the battery. It'll be 2032. This is the same battery that my welding hood uses, so luckily I've got them in stock. If you don't, you can pick them up from a local hardware store or Amazon, or even the dealership, although that would probably be the most expensive version. Let me grab a pry tool for that. So any small pry tool to gently pop the old battery out. As you can see, 2032, and it also says on the inside of the back cover. So just to repeat again, you're going to put the positive side up, slip it back in there, give it a test before you put the cover on, make sure you've got the light functioning, and pop this cover back on. Gap should be all closed up all the way around. Put the emergency key back in, and you're in business. Thanks for watching.